Meanwhile, the government has outlined its plans for 2025-26. Custis of Kingston, Stedman Fuller, indicated the agenda items as he delivered Thursday's throne speech on behalf of Governor-General Sir Patrick Allen. Details in this report.
Moore's parish status dominated headlines inside the Cordon House this week. And Thursday's throne speech provided another opportunity for the government to outline its plans for Portmore in the 2025-2026 fiscal and legislative year. Portmore's infrastructure, they say, remains a top priority.
The Portmore Resilience Park is scheduled for completion by 2025-2026.
In related infrastructure plans, Western Jamaica boasts one of the biggest road projects expected to be completed within the next year.
The Montego Bay Perimeter Road is on track for completion by mid-2026.
The Montego Bay Perimeter Road could be used by some of the buses set to be purchased for the JUTC in a matter of weeks.
Public transportation will see an additional $3 billion investment with 100 more buses. Procured and slated for delivery by July 2025.
That investment in power-efficient buses forms part of the government's renewable energy plan, a move likely to expand with a major international partnership.
A memorandum with the Canadian Nuclear Laboratory will explore nuclear energy integration.
Jamaica's healthcare sector is also expected to benefit from the additional renewable energy investments.
The US $4 million energy security investment will install 6,368 rooftop solar panels across 6 hospitals and 16 government facilities, saving 5 million kilowatt hours annually.
And staying with the health sector, experts in the past week warned that the closure of USAID could have dire implications for Jamaica, in particular the HIV and AIDS fight locally. But the government says it will build on last year's work.
In 2024, Jamaica achieved a historic milestone by eliminating mother-to-child transmission of HIV on congenital syphilis.
The government also claimed Jamaica is the safest it has been in 20 years and pointed to the 16% decrease in murders so far in 2025 and the 19% decrease in 2024 as proof. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.